Let's solve another question from word problem from quadratic equations. Now this question does not have a particular theme. We can say it's a miscellaneous themed question. The total expense of a trip for certain number of people is rupees 18,000. If three more people join them, then the share of each reduces by 3,000 rupees. Taking x to be the original number of people, form a quadratic equation in x and solve it to find the value of x. So again here the variable is given that original number of people is x. So we will write that original number of people was x number of people, and the total expense is 18,000. So each person's share is the total share 18,000 divided by the number of people x. Then later if three more people join, then the share of each will reduce by 3,000 rupees, but the total expense of the trip will be the same. So in the new situation, new number of people, there are three more people, so x plus 3, and therefore each person's share now will be 18,000 divided by the new number of people, which is x plus 3. And it is given that now in the new situation, the share of each reduces by 3,000 rupees. So I can say that the new share per person equals to 3,000 less. So 3,000 less minus 3,000 of the original share per person. So that means 18,000 by x plus 3 is 18,000 by x minus 3,000. So let's move the 18,000 by x to the left side. We will have 18,000 by x plus 3 minus 18,000 by x equal to minus 3,000. I'll take 18,000 common, then I have 1 by x plus 3 minus 1 by x equal to minus 3,000. I can divide both sides with 3,000, then this will be minus 1, this will be 6. So now when I'm subtracting the fractions, common denominator is x into x plus 3, which is x square plus 3x. The numerator is x minus of x plus 3. Okay, so we have x minus x minus 3 so we will have 6 into minus 3 is minus 18. This is equal to minus x square minus 3x. The right side had a minus 1, so minus 1 multiplied by the denominator, we get this. Then moving everything to the left side, I'll get x square plus 3x minus 18 equal to 0. This is the standard form of quadratic equation. Let me factorize it. So minus 18 is the product of two numbers. Sum of two numbers is 3. So the numbers can be 6 and 3, where let's say 6 is positive and 3 is negative. So I will get the middle term split as plus 6x minus 3x, and then common I'll take okay. So I'm getting x plus 6 into x minus 3 equals to 0. Product of these two things is 0, so individually they can be 0. X plus 6 is 0 or x minus 3 is 0. So x can be minus 6 or x can be 3. Now if we go back to the question, x was supposed to be the original number of people. Number of people cannot be negative, so we will have number of people is positive, so that means x equal to 3 is the solution. And here they had asked us to find the value of x. Find the value of x, so we had 3 people. X equal to 3 is the given answer.